Hey everybody, so today's fun little piece of salvage, for a change, doesn't come out of somebody else's trash or it was not found on the side of the road. This one came from the local Goodwill store. And what it appears to be is some type of old cast iron or metal scale. I thought it looked pretty unique. That pink is a little atrocious, so we're going to try to get rid of that. Not exactly sure if it's got all the parts. I think it might be missing a bar across the front of it, slide weight, something like that. But anyhow, let's take a close-up, and for any of you scale aficionados, maybe you can help me out here. Okay, so let's take a look here and see what we've got. It appears to be a Detecto scale. There we go. Let's zoom in on that a little bit. There we go. Detecto scales, maximum capacity 8 pounds. New York, USA. And the price on this, well, while it's listed on that little tag there as $19.99, I did not even come close to paying that for it. This was in a little closeout bin and 75% off. I think I paid $5 for this. So whereas it says $19.99, I did not pay $19.99 for it. It was $5. So I thought it was pretty cool looking. Maybe be able to use it on my desk down in my studio, and we'll see. Here's a quick shot of the underside, just in case anybody wanted to see that. It appears to say Jacobs Brothers Incorporated, New York, New York. And that gives you an idea of what the original color of this scale would have been. Okay, well, I found this can of stripper down in the basement. Works in 15 minutes, strongest, convenient, safe for metal. Okay, well, I guess that's all I really need to know. Clean strip. Let's go ahead and give this a shot and see if we can get that ugly pink paint off of our little scale. Okay, so I sprayed it with that stripper and it's been less than a minute, and this is the results that I've gotten so far. This paint is bubbling off of here very quickly. It looks like I'm going to have to work pretty quickly, so I might have to put the camera down and just start cleaning this up and kind of show you the work in progress. Let's keep going. That paint's coming off there pretty fast, making short work of this project. Cleaning up pretty good. Just got to keep moving pretty quickly here because this stuff is just very weird to work with. Let me just put it that way. Okay, cleaned up, nice. Let's go ahead and shoot you a couple close-ups here. If you came to this channel looking for a professional restoration, you have come to the wrong place. There are still a couple little spots of that pink paint that I'm going to have to get off individually, you know, maybe with toothpicks or something like that. But for the most part there, you can see close-up of what the scale is going to look like. It's my understanding, or at least as far as I can tell here, that those chip marks and stuff like that were already on this scale, and that the stripper itself did not take off any of the underlying finish. So, but that's what we got. One last quick spin around this thing here, and that's it, really. My little $5 scale. Cool little antique. Again, I don't think all the parts are here to it, but if you want to leave me a comment down below and let me know if I'm missing anything. I'm not going to put any money into this thing. Again, it's just a prop or a novelty item. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Okay, the video's over. Get back to work. You've got stuff to do. You don't need to be hanging around here. But before you go, hey, how about hitting that thumbs up button? Or commenting below. I'd appreciate it.